little fidget skit. Now before we get on to this YouTube video, subscribe, comment, hit that post notification bell on so you get notified every time we post a new video, and like if I didn't say that. So, love y'all. Let's get on to this video. I heard someone's getting fidget traded today. Of course. We do it every day. Baseball bat? Like, do you not know that we always get fidget traded? I know. I'm so shy. I don't want anyone fighting. Stop fighting. I don't want to get traded because I feel like I'm her favorite. She has more friends that I have more family that we're scattered. So if she gets more of me, then she has a whole collection of me. I might get traded because I'm a scam fidget because I'm not that squishy. Well, of course you are. I'm the best fidget. I'm the loudest poppet in the world. No you're not. That's not true at all. Kind of isn't. Okay, fine then. Well, she's coming. Shh, shh, shh. I have to shut my eyes because my eyes are here because it's a part of my fidget. Which fidget do I want to trade today? I want to trade you and scam someone. That's better. At least it squishes. Hey everyone, I'm new. Hi, my name's Poppet. What's your name? My name's Airball Squishy Chicken. That's a nice name. I really like it. That's pretty nice. It's very balky. Pataki. I'm just a mochi. My name's Spike Bow. I'm super shy. Pop it if I didn't say that already. Okay. Shh. She's coming. Shh, shh, shh. You're new here. Hey, since you're new here. Sorry, I forgot what I was gonna say. Hey, since you're new here, you don't have to shut your eyes because your eyes are a part of your little squishy. Oh yeah, I learned that from many years of being a human fidget. She's coming. Shh. Come on, be quiet this time. Oh, which fidget should I trade? Spike ball? No, too important. Mochi! That's better. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. You're back, tennis ball. I sure am. Oh my goodness. Tennis ball, tennis ball, tennis ball. You're back, you're back, you're back. You're back! I don't get it. What's the big deal? Oh, I used to be here until you took my spot when you traded. Okay, we're both in the same place now. It's a war. So, where did Mochi go? She got traded because of you. Because of me? She got me in a trade? How? Mochi's way better than me. I'm a scam fidget. I know, right? She should have not scammed my owner. I'm gonna try to get back to her. Oh, does she still do the daily fidget trading? Yeah. Let's go to bed now. Yeah, we should. Okay. Shoo, honk, shoo. Guys. What? She's coming. Tell the others. Okay. How'd Poppet get like that? What the heck? I'm gonna trade Poppet. Let's go, Poppet. Alien Poppet. She scammed me. She drew on it. Hello, everyone. I'm an alien puppet. You just got alien face drawled on you. They're still sleeping and hiding. They don't know that we're allowed to talk yet. I'll wake them up. Oh, they're woken. Hello. Hey. I can't believe Alien Puppet's back. What do you mean, back? Yeah, that's kind of weird. I'm kind of used to it because I kind of been with Alien Puppet one time. So I'm kind of used to Alien Puppet, so I'm not too shy. Well, me and Alien Puppet, well, we were at the same home. So we're here together now. I got traded by this weird puppet. Shh, shh, she's coming. Stop, stop. Put your face away. And go. Fine. We argue a lot, sorry. It's okay. Alien Puppet's already gone. She just wanted to hide for a little bit. I did do a 2 fidget trade to get my other 2 fidgets back. I really love them. That feels much more better. Okay. OMG. You guys are back. You guys are back. You guys are back. I can't believe I'm back. Guys, guess what? My new family, they made me know how to make my face look bigger. That's cool. Yeah, really cool. I didn't get traded at all. Told you guys I'm her favorite. How'd you not get traded? I got traded a million times. I thought you were traded while I was gone, and then you came back as soon as I came back. Me too. I really thought that. I know. It's kind of weird. All my fidgets are alive. I just caught them talking.